Hi, good evening. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and this video is for Brandon. Brandon, you make a comment asking me for something. I tried to reply, but I couldn't see your actual comment. So this is the reason why I'm making a video. I don't know exactly which tool are you looking for. I don't know if that's for these yellow pads or the blue ones, or just this. I was using in the video that you comment, um, I was using this pad holder. This is an old one that I have it for so many years, really good quality. I bought it from Ecolab. It has some Velcro and it will attach really fast and really easy. It will hold the pads. You don't have to buy this one from Ecolab if you don't want to, but this thing is flexible, it's durable. Nowadays, this is a generic. It's more bulky, but it works really good. It has a Velcro too, and you can stick this. This is a bigger size though, but it sticks really good into the pad. This one is from 3M. I always talk about this. When it's new, it will stick good. But when I use it a lot, it will break this. I don't know how you call this. These little things. It broke. So sometimes it's difficult to stick the pad when it broke. This is plastic, and also I have it for so many years. What I prefer this one, and I bought it from Ecolab. This is the book from Ecolab I'm gonna show you, and this is the book and the brand from the Microfiber Pad Drying. So I'm gonna try to look for the company and put it in the description below. First of all, we're gonna talk about the pad, the yellow pad. On page 16, they talk about the pad holders, and this brand makes some microfiber for auto care or special cleaning. That pad holder, the black one, is a flexible. I already have it. I like it, but it's so flexible that sometimes it's good, but sometimes in another kind of surface it's not that great. And the yellow pad is this one that I bought for them. That's the blue one for scrubbing. Actually, the scrubbing is this one. This is for washing, and this is for drying. It's called MultiFlex System. And this is the code for the yellow one. MFDP09 Microfiber Drying Pad 9x4. This is a really good brand, not only for microfiber cloth, but what I like about this brand is about the feather. They sell really good quality of feather, and everything is a lamb skin. So check it out. This is the brochure that they have. The quality is spectacular. It's really good quality. I love this duster, and they sell actually bigger pads for washing, scrubbing, drying, and polish. That's a full floor care, window care, some poles, squeegees, and things like that. Okay, so this is information from this company. 1-800-665-0202, www.lambskin.com, info@lambskin.com. This company don't pay me to do this kind of advertising, okay? I'm just trying to share with you whatever I know about Ecolab, okay? Ecolab also have a brochure, and this is where I bought my tools. In the housekeeping book, you have some type of mop, but I'm gonna show you. Okay, right here. Well, let's see. Okay, this is the machine that I have, where all the cleaning products are mixed properly, and this is the mop. It's not a full mop, it's a little mop for floors and the bathroom, the solution and everything, okay? In the housekeeping thing, page 28, this is a Oasis Pro Tools. That's the name. Solution Pro Oasis Pro Tools. And this is what I have. This is what I bought. The complete kit years ago. So the blue, this one, is from Ecolab. The label is off because I had it for long. What I like about this and the pole is short and it will extend. I lost the pole because so many years ago. So really good, okay? And this is actual the name. Let's see. Okay. Is Oasis Pro Clean at Top. The code 9621-1009. Okay? Also, what I like about Ecolab is that they sell a big magic erasers. Okay? The little ones I don't suggest to buy. It's really expensive and I prefer Magic Eraser, the brand. But for the tub and the shower, they sell the big erasers. Okay? So, this is the big erasers that I have. And I bought so this is the big eraser that you put here, you stick, and you start scrubbing the surface of the top of the wall of the shower. Okay? And we already talked about the drying pads, right? From this kind of company. Ecolab sells also pads, but I like this kind of pads that I mentioned before by this company, Lambstick, no? Lambskin, no? Lambskin, I'm sorry. Let's see what it said. Okay, right here. So check it out. Do your Google. I'm going to try to have everything for you in the description. But you need to do your homework. Okay? You need to look around, read, investigate with yourself. Don't be lazy. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye, Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. And this is the pump, the spraying pump that I use, remember? Really good. I love it. Okay, take care. Bye.